country living out in the sticks, out in the sticks, out in the sticks. Yeah, I'm out your country living shit. Out in the sticks, in the sticks, where people live and people die. It's plenty talking to the vine, niggas silent when it's time to stay quiet. Hold it down into my two mind in the sticks. It's the wild, it's the wild. It ain't no moving pace unless you moving using food scales. Cooks is everywhere, everybody got their own shit. Ain't a food stamp, so scared to check cashing. You see trailers in the woods, don't mean that they out there camping, competing with the animals. Better yet, they hang around their people all day, waiting to gamble something. They don't wait up on each other. Make some money, lose some money, making guns lose the numbers. They use that for human hunting. It's poison for the rodents. Ain't much noise unless you close up. Everybody make explosives. Cell phone calling out the car, make it blow up. Body spots that no one really know about. 5-acre lots, all you hear is gunshots. Police don't much respond to shots fired. Capsize somebody, boat riding by. Go for go, eye for eye. A little go around the edges, rough around the bitch too. Too many trucks, this is not the city. Suited up in a ghillie suit. Every cut another exit. The sticks a little different, understand? Country living out in the sticks, out in the sticks, out in the sticks. Yeah, I'm out the country living shit. Out in the sticks, in the sticks, where people live and people die. It's plenty talk, people around, niggas silent when it's time to stay quiet. Only down ain't too much around in the sticks. It's the wild, it's the wild. It ain't no moving pace unless you're moving using food scales.